Hello, this is the presentation of the project Ethical and Professional Responsibilities by Group 11. As part of the electromagnetic course, we have to give a technical advice to the owner of an appliance store to decide which kind of electrical stove to buy, traditional electrical stove or electrical induction cookers. We will review the advantages and disadvantages of both cooking devices. But first, we have to define what is an electric induction cooker. It is a new technology to cook. An oscillating magnetic field induces a magnetic flux that heats the cooking vessel by electrical induction. The main components are the power supply board that receives an input current, the electronic control and the induction cooker that produces the oscillating magnetic field, the temperature sensor that monitors any failure, the heatsink for heat dissipation, and the hard plastic cover to protect the inlet components. Now, let's review the advantages and disadvantages of the electrical induction cookers. Compared to traditional electric stove, it consumes less energy because the heat is produced within the pan or the cooking pot, and there is no loss of heat to the surroundings. That's also the reason why the cooking speed increases the induction. The heating system has a low inertia heat generation directly in the base. That's the main reason why the cooking appliance remains mostly cold, and thanks to this property, the domestic accident related to burns will be reduced. As a disadvantage, in most cases it's necessary to replace the cookware with other made of ferromagnetic materials. This represents an increase of cost. Also, once the induction cooker is damaged, most of them cannot be repaired because materials used in the manufacture are limited in the market and the cost could be high. For example, the copper coils. In some places, it's necessary to restructure the pulling rate. As an example, this device works at 220 volts, but certain countries have agreed on 120 volts, approximately.
Now, I'm going to talk about the advantages and disadvantages about traditional electric stove. One of them, traditional electric stove, are long time positioned in the market. In other words, units and parts are cheaper than electric induction cookers, and house cooker work without problem. In other case of electric induction cooker, there is a fear from customers when they interact with new technology that they don't know how it works. That happens because they are used to cook with traditional electric stove and they are adapted to this product. There is a negative environmental impact because the efficiency of traditional electric stove is 65%, while the new electrical induction cooker is between 80% and 95%. In addition, nowadays people are aware of environmental care, so they prefer replace traditional stove with sustainable technologies such as induction cooker. There is also a matter of time to suffer technological change. Eventually, consumers will choose electric induction cookers instead of traditional electric stove. Our final advice is that the acquisition of new induction systems represent an opportunity to the store for selling an efficiency and environmental product with a potential positive impact in the future, and it will help with the improvement of store image. It is just a matter of time in order to adopt this way of cooking due to the benefits involved in it. To talk about ethics in electric engineering, I will start with a phrase. The greatest merit is serving to society and progress of humanity. It involves hold paramount the safety, health and welfare of the public. Comply with the principle of sustainable development. Act in professional matters for employers and clients as a faithful agent. As an engineer, we must be ethical professionals, being honest, acting with zero tolerance for bribery, fraud, and corruption, because it is our responsibility to build a better society and improve the well-being of the other through our actions and decisions. Finally, money cannot interfere the choice of what is better for the society, even if it doesn't benefit to us. Thank you very much. This has been our advice for the project of electromagnetic theory course.